Hey guys, it's Seth here at Q Sales Inc. And what we have is a 2007 X-Mark 60-inch Lazer Z, a commercial zero-turn lawnmower. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. As you can tell, this machine starts right up and it runs good. The paint on the deck has been touched up on this machine around the edges. You can tell there's a little paint on the decal there. But the deck is in good condition. I mean, it's a sound deck. There aren't any cracks or welds. We haven't noticed anything like that on this deck. Covers are in good shape. The sheet metal's in nice shape. Pretty much everything is operating as it should. We did notice in one of the, it sounds like one of the spindle bearings is getting a little bit louder than the rest. So I'm not sure, I mean it's still working, but one of the bearings is a little bit weaker. This is the seat. The seat's in nice shape. It does have a couple little tears, or I guess one little tear right there, but it's in pretty good shape. This is your console. You got your key switch, your blade engagement, your choke and your throttle all in one spot. And your parking brake. This is your deck height adjustment. Fuel tanks. Here's your engine. It's a Kohler Command 25 horsepower Pro with a heavy-duty Donaldson air filtration system. Starts right up. Muffler's in nice shape. Rear tires are about 50%. No, probably 70%. The tread on them's pretty good, as you can see. And the front tires are the zero flat. This is a 2007 is the year on this machine. The hydraulic pumps are in good shape and everything operates as it should. So, pretty nice machine. We can arrange shipping pretty much anywhere. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email. Thank you very much.